Oh, hi, hello, namaskar, friends. How are you and how is going your day? Let me know in the comment section. And we are going to bank. Uh, we have started our journey to our beloved State Bank of India, and I don't know how is my English going on. It's a third video on. It's a third video on my English speaking day. Let's see how it goes. I don't know why my legs are hurting and paining. Can I call it paining, or what will you say though? Pain. My legs are in pain, and I'm still feeling tired after sleeping too much. I slept yesterday at 10 p.m. and woke up at 7:30, I guess. After so much of sleeping, I am still not able to walk properly because my legs are hurting, and I am still feeling too much of tired because yesterday I woke up early, and after doing so much of work in the bank, the service is already due. 24,998 kilometer bike have been ridden, but I am not getting a time to service the bike. I'm just waiting for Sunday to 24,999. I'm just waiting to be 25,000. Please camera record it being 25,000. 24,999. Please be 25,000. 24,999. 24,999. I am just being a childish. I am doing childish things, but I am 25,000 kilometers. Yeah! Oh wow! I get a greater sukoon. Yes. Sometimes I become child, and it is okay to be childish. Sometimes, not every time. Your inner child should not be died. 25,000. Yes, I seen it becoming 24,999 to 25,000. It's Gajab Gajwani Gazwanti Asti. One Swift or Desire guy is behind us. He is trying to catch up. I hope he catch up. I know, because your brother is have zero tolerance policy if someone overtakes me. I know, so if a guy having a Scorpio, then it is okay. He can do whatever he wants. But other than Scorpio, Safari, and XUV700 can be, but other things I do not allow them to overtake me. Why my accent is being South Indian? I don't know. Because in normal English, I just finish early. South Indian English has words, longer words. A, U, A, E in the end of every word. So there I get time to think the next word. So that's why I'm speaking in South Indian accent. One thing that's surprising for me, it's like if I want to speak English, I have to rethink again. But if I have to think in English, I am very fast. If I have to speak English in my mind, है ना, okay, if I have to speak English in my mind, then I can speak faster English, है ना, and correct. But if I have to talk from my mouth, that comes completely opposite. It becomes slow and slow and a little bit of you can say not correct, मतलब grammar not being correct. I'm getting wet here. I'm yawning in the morning. What will I do in the whole day? Work in progress. Oh ये मज़ा आ गया. This is the time. I don't. I mean, not the time of the day, but that these days, है ना, these days are becoming very confusing to me. I am becoming much more confusing because I want to do something, but I don't know what to do. Okay, and I am not too much of satisfied from my currently what I am doing. I'm not talking about only job, but everything, है ना, overall, because I am not seems to be proper happy. There is no sadness, there is no reason to be sad, but there is no reason to be happy, है ना, to be honest, है ना. I am not having any type of sadness or you say dilemma, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, है ना. मेरे भाई ऐसे कोई दुख नहीं है ना, कोई सा भी दुख नहीं है, सब कुछ सही चल रहा है. But I want to be more and more happy, the desire to be happy. Sometimes my mind says, please do CAIIB and your salary will be increased. And sometimes I see do a CAIIB and get a promotion. And sometimes I say, if I do CAIIB, my 1 year you can say will be miserable because I have to study, and studying now is not my cup of tea because I am working and not getting so much time. If I get some time, then the time is like not a quality time, and I cannot do anything productive in that time because I am too much tired of the work. So that's why the time I get is not study time, and I cannot dedicate that time to study. And one thing is that I sometimes want to switch, but I do not have any better opportunity than SBI, because SBI in terms of facility and in terms of home posting now it's so much of I can get. And sometimes I want to go just doing a job and do nothing, do nothing, enjoy your life and do something what you want, or do nothing, just sit and relax, just sit and relax after coming from bank. I know, so I'm confused between all these options. I will let you know if I choose something. So that is it for today, guys, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, tata.